quick hack to installing our edging profile when it's in a long length. You can see here that it's oversized, it's going past my panel. Now the idea is we're not going to take the tape off, we're going to turn this over. Once it's installed and pushed down on top of the panel, we can then cut and trim the edge of the profile to suit. Now to install it, don't peel off your tape all the way along. Just take off a section of about 300-400 mil. Now what that's going to do is mean that you've got this tail of tape. Lay that on your panel. It then gives you the facility to make sure it's flush at this end, and it gives you the option to be able to move your trim where you need it. Now I'm pushing my trim this way so it's touching the top of the panel, and I've now got the flexibility to work with the rest of my trim without it being stuck in situ on the panel where I don't want it. And I can simply come to my panel and work along down my run, taking the tape off as I go, making sure it's exactly as I need. Now we've done that all the way through, I can now come along and cut my panel to suit.